Hello children, today we'll study about difference between osmosis and diffusion. There is only one basic difference between osmosis and diffusion. You know, diffusion and osmosis. In diffusion and osmosis, there is a movement of water molecules or any molecules from a region of a higher concentration to a region of a lower concentration. So what is the difference? The difference is that in diffusion, this movement takes place in absence of semi-permeable membrane, whereas in osmosis, this complete process takes place through a semi-permeable membrane. Now coming to absorption of mineral. You know, soil contains dissolved minerals like potassium, calcium, nitrogen, magnesium. So these minerals have to be absorbed by the roots. So what are the processes which are involved in the absorption of these minerals? That is active transport and diffusion. You know what is a diffusion? Diffusion is a movement of molecules from an area of a higher concentration to an area of a lower concentration without a semi-permeable membrane. So when there is a higher concentration of minerals in the soil, at that time plant will absorb minerals by this process. But when there is a less concentration of minerals in the soil, and yes, there is a need for an absorption, so plant will absorb by a process called as active transport. So active transport is nothing but the movement of particles from a region of a lower concentration to a region of a higher concentration by utilizing energy. And hence active transport always occur against the concentration gradient. Now transport of water and mineral takes place in following two steps. First is the pressure developed in the roots due to continuous inflow of water is called as root pressure. Now this helps in the pushing the water, that is a plant sap, that is water and mineral, upward into the stem. Now this root pressures appear only when the rate of absorption is higher than the rate of transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water vapor in the form of water vapor from the leaves through stomata. So now second point, just to see here, the water along with the minerals move further upward through the xylem of the stem towards the leaf. This is due to the transpiration which exerts a pull from above. So the upward movement of sap is nothing but the water and minerals that contains water and minerals from the roots towards the other parts of the plant is called as ascent of sap. Now what is an importance of water for plant? First importance is transportation. Water help in the transport of minerals and other substance from one part of the plant to the other. Second is food production. Food production, water is one of the essential requirement for photosynthesis, along with the sunlight, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Third is cooling effect. Evaporation of water that takes place from the leaf surface helps to cool the plant. This takes place due to transpiration. Thank you.